In 1960, as a means of traffic control, the first traffic light was installed and used in London for Parliament members. Also, in 1920, the first traffic light based on its current definition was used in the United States. Such measures were the beginning of the use of intelligent traffic control systems. Intelligent Transportation System (ITS) includes a set of elements such as intelligent tools, modern hardware, software, and communication technologies, and different expertise. These elements interact with each other to enable transportation of travelers and cargoes by adapting to new conditions and to improve function of transportation network by analysis of existing information. ITS provides necessary conditions for integration of transportation systems which are made up of network, vehicles, travelers, and cargoes. The coordination made by intelligent transportation system promote efficiency of economy, safety, and environmental aspects and increase the effectiveness of transportation system as perceived by users and developers of transportation of cargoes and travelers. Intelligent transportation systems use different tools for collection and analysis of information. The tools are categorized into means of data collection, service means, and traffic management equipment. A study conducted in Lucknow, India, over a 20-year period to examine the benefits of using the ITS system found the following cost reduction in various areas: accident 44%, save time 41%, prevent fuel loss 6%, repair 5%, and emergency cost 4%.